मोबाइल का भी रिकॉर्डिंग का साउंड।
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
all of you.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम।
So, we are in the chapter diffraction of and dispersion of light. Yesterday, children, some of the question answers we have discussed. Let us come to that point once again. Discussion of question answer. So all of you have marked question number 1. 1 सबका हो गया था. Fill in the blanks.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
I repeat. Repetition की जरूरत है.
No, ma'am.
किसी का छूटा भी था.
No, ma'am.
नो मैम।
Okay, ठीक है. Then come to the tick the correct option. यहाँ से हम लोग एक बार देख लेते हैं. Which of the following condition is not necessary for a change in the direction of propagation when a light rays move from one medium to another medium?
The incident light.
The incident.
Always have only the blue color.
Pardon, which one option you are telling?
Fourth.
Fourth, ma'am. The incident light ray must always have
The
only the blue
incident
color.
light rays must always have only the blue color. Then next is, which of the following diagram correctly shows the bending of light rays as it goes from optically denser medium to optically rarer medium?
Second.
Second option. Second.
Second option. Yes.
P.
B. Then the angle between the incident ray and emergent ray for a rectangular glass slab is
And obtuse
180
angle.
degree.
And
And
obtuse
no.
angle.
No, it is 0 degree.
0
It is
degree,
zero
ma'am.
मैम
Yes,
मैम
ma'am. 0 degree.
मैम रिफ्रैक्टेड रे और इमर्जेंट रे के बीच में ना वो एंगल देखा जाएगा।
इंसिडेंट रे और इमर्जेंट रे 0 डिग्री पे ही होगा। जहां से
मैम, वो
इंसिडेंट रे होता है वहीं से इमर्जेंट रे निकलता है।
मैम वो
Last
दोनों
slide का
पैरेलल होता है
diagram
ना?
देख लेना। हाँ?
मैम वो दोनों पैरेलल होता है ना?
कौन दोनों?
मैम इंसिडेंट रे और
नॉर्मल और
इमर्जेंट।
इमर्जेंट रे पैरेलल होता है। नॉर्मल और इमर्जेंट रे पैरेलल होता है। तो नॉर्मल किसके कहाँ से लेते हैं हम लोग? इंसिडेंट रे से ना। नॉर्मल हमारा कहाँ से होता है? इंसिडेंट रे से। पेज नंबर निकालो जहाँ ये ग्लास स्लैब का डायग्राम दिया हुआ है। पेज नंबर
174।
यस 174। देखो PQ is your incident ray and RS is your emergent ray. तो और उसका नॉर्मल क्या है? डेविएटेड बाय D. तो इमर्जेंट रे और आपका इंसिडेंट रे इट डज नॉट मेक एनी एंगल, कोई एंगल नहीं बना रहा है, दैट इज 0।
मैम 0 डिग्री भी तो एक एंगल ही है।
हाँ? क्या?
मैम वो दोनों जब इंटरसेक्ट करेगा तभी ना 0 डिग्री बनेगा।
इंटरसेक्ट कैसे करेगा बेटा बताओ? एंगल की बात कह रहा है कि एंगल बनेगा तो वो 0 डिग्री का एंगल बनेगा, कोई उसका मेजरमेंट नहीं है। Which of the following figure correctly represents the passage of white light through a glass prism? Third option.
Third option.
Yes. An incident ray passing through optical center of a concave lens after refraction through it will
Go
Undeviated.
Go undeviated.
Go undeviated.
undeviated.
yes. When an object approaches a convex lens from infinity towards its focus, the image formed by it is
Keep on shifting away from the lens.
Keeps on shifting away from the lenses.
From the
keep on
lens.
shifting away from the lens.
मैम ये वाला क्वेश्चन एक्सप्लेन कर दीजिए ना।
कौन सा?
मैम shifts first away and then towards the lens.
Which question? चलो आगे बढ़ो।
6th।
इसमें कोई
Ma'am-
एक्सप्लेनेशन की अभी जरूरत नहीं है, सब
Ma'am,
फैक्ट
shift
पर बेस्ड
first-
है। हाँ,
मैम पहले
I can't
फर्स्ट
get your
5 केस
voice.
में मैम फर्स्ट 5 केस में दूर जा रहा है और 6th केस में तो पास आया है ना।
Which question you are talking about?
मैम 6th।
हाँ, तो 6th में इंफिनिटी में फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी के तरफ से अगर कोई ये आ रहा है, अप्रोचिंग फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी टुवर्ड्स इस फोकस, फोकस की तरफ, तो इमेज क्या होता है?
मैम जब तक वो फोकस पे पहुंचता है तब तक दूर जाते रहता है और फिर फोकस के आगे जाता है तो पास आ जाता है।
तो दूर जा आपको अवे फ्रॉम द फोकस, कीप ऑन शिफ्टिंग अवे फ्रॉम द फोकस, दैट विल बी द करेक्ट ऑप्शन। Then here, Tania's grandmother needs a lens to read smaller letters in her book. For this, she should use which type of lens?
A convex lenses
Convex
kept
lens
at distance
kept
f and 2f from the book.
It's that kept distance.
And fourth.
The distance between
Fourth,
F
ma'am.
and 2F from the book. Okay, next. Light propagates faster
Ma'am.
through medium A than through another medium B. Which of the two media have higher optical density?
Medium B.
मीडियम बी।
Medium B.
State the condition under which no change in the direction of propagation of light ray would take place when it passes from medium A to medium B.
When the light rays is perpendicular to the boundary.
of medium wave.
State the condition under which no change in direction of propagation of light ray would take place when it passes from medium A to B. यहाँ होगा
When
no
the-
change in direction occurs.
What, ma'am?
अच्छा एक मिनट, जस्ट लीव इट, एक मिनट इसको थोड़ा रहने दो, आई जस्ट टेल यू आफ्टर, इसको थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन आफ्टरवर्ड आई टेल यू दिस आंसर. Why does a pencil appears bent when it is partially dipped in water? Because light
Refraction.
travels from
Refraction.
Speed of light.
because of refraction of light also you can say, or light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, so refraction takes place. इस तरह से भी बोल सकते हो, directly भी बोल सकते हो. Trace the path of rays in the following diagram. Rarer medium, no, here you have to draw the diagram. Diagram बनाना है आपको. Suppose कर लो this is your right. A ray of light will travel from this surface. This is your जैसे आप ग्लास स्लैब में बनाए हो, in the same way you have to do. This will be the ray path in this one. उसके बाद आपका डायग्राम का डायरेक्शन बदल जाता है. Towards the normal, away from the. Just rotate the same diagram. उसी diagram को आपको rotation में लिखा है. लेकिन उसका surface बदल जाएगा.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम,
हाँ बोलो.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, मैं आलोक बोल रहा हूँ. कैमरा का
हाँ
फोकस,
बोलिए.
कैमरा का फोकस बोर्ड पे कर दीजिए मैडम.
ओके ओके सर, थैंक यू.
हाँ ठीक है, अब ठीक है. थैंक यू
ओके
मैम.
सर, थैंक यू. When it will bend towards the normal, then not in this surface it will go. It will go here. You can see like this. ठीक है? Because there is a bending. अगर bend नहीं होता तो इस surface से निकलता. क्योंकि यहाँ bending हो रहा है इसलिए इस surface से निकलता. Have you all drawn?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then next question. When a spherical lens is held towards the sun and a sharp image is formed on a piece of paper, black paper, a hole gets burns in the black paper after some time. Name the lens used in the above activity. Which lens will be used?
Convex.
Convex lens.
Convex lens.
Convex. What name is given to the distance between spherical lens and the black paper?
Focal length.
Focal length.
Focal length.
Yes, correct. What is the relative advantage of using a black paper rather than a white paper?
Black paper
is a good
absorbs
conductor of
more
heat.
heat
Black
and
paper
reaches
absorb
to
more heat.
ignition temperature.
Yes, very good, because black paper absorbs more heat and reaches to ignition temperature more quickly, more easily, more quickly you can write. What kind of lens would form an inverted and magnified image of the object?
Convex lens.
Convex.
Convex lens.
Convex lens. An erect and magnified image?
Convex
Convex.
lens.
An inverted and diminished image of the object?
Convex lens.
Yes. An erect and diminished image of an object?
Concave
Concave
lens.
lens.
Cave. Concave.
Yes. Now after that, draw label ray diagram to illustrate the differences between virtual image formed by using a concave lens and convex lens. So, draw a label diagram to illustrate the difference between virtual image formed by using. Now here, which diagram will you draw for convex? Don't discuss, children, among yourself. Here, children, please don't discuss among yourself. Why are you all talking? Aryan,
Ma'am,
Aryan Kumar, please mute your mic. Okay, then we will see this question number 6, E6. Draw a labeled ray diagram to illustrate the difference between virtual image formed by using a concave lens and convex lens. So you have to show the difference between them. तो virtual image convex के केस में कहाँ पर बनता है? कौन सा ये diagram इसमें draw करिए? Page number
Object
100.
Ma'am, when an object is kept between focus and optical
Focus and
center of
optical
the
center.
lens.
Yes, the same that diagram which is given on page number 182. Object between optical center and F point of the lens. This diagram and the other one on page number 184. आप कोई भी diagram बनाओगे उसमें virtual image ही बनेगा, तो you can draw first or second कोई भी. So that will be a comparative study of the virtual image formed by convex lens and concave lens, and the image position will also be seen over there comparatively. Now after that, अब आ जाइए E1 में. D तक किसी को कोई problem है? Anybody?
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
Okay, then we will come to E1. E1 पर आओ. A coin is placed at the bottom of a clear glass vessel. An observer moves herself to a position where the coin goes just out of sight of her eyes. Keeping her eyes in position, she asks her friend to pour some water gradually into the glass vessel. What would she observe? अब हम
She
जब हम
would
लोग
ob-
experiment किए थे वो देखे हो तुम लोग coin वाला ना? After pouring
Yes,
of water,
ma'am.
what will happen?
She
Bolo.
would observe.
The coin would be visible.
कोई एक बच्चा try करो. The coin will
She
be
would
slightly
observe
raised.
that the coin is slightly raised from its original position.
Yes, and this is happening due to refraction of light. This happens due to refraction of light. Clear? Write down this. She would observe that the coin will be slightly raised from its position and it will be visible. Now, this happens due to refraction of light. Name the phenomenon involved. The phenomenon name is refraction of light. Draw a neat table diagram to justify your answer. Now come to the diagram portion. This diagram is given on page number 173. Page number 173, you will draw this diagram. A coin at the bottom of a initially empty cup that was not visible to the eye becomes visible after some water is poured into the cup. Then after that, in the following figure, identify the light ray that would be the correct emergent ray, refracted ray, light ray in each case. Give reason for your answer. करेक्ट इमर्जेंट रे कौन सा होगा? फर्स्ट फिगर में
P.
P will be the
Emergent ray.
हाँ, और फिगर बी के लिए कौन सा होगा?
R.
R. फॉर फिगर सी R.
R.
हाँ,
R.
so that to put a tick mark in that which one will be the emergent ray or refracted ray. Now after that, next question is, white light is made to fall on one face of a glass prism. Draw a ray diagram to show the nature of the emergent beam.
Page number 176.
Yes, that diagram you have to draw of that glass slab. Page number 170. नहीं 76 पे है.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh yes, glass prism. हाँ ठीक है. Page number 176. Then with the help of suitable diagram, explain the meaning of the term center of curvature, optical center and focus. Now come to this terms, what we have studied. Page number 178. What are the terms you have to define? Center of
Center
curvature.
of which?
It is on page number 177. Okay? Each of the two spherical surface can be regarded. No, you will continue from here. The center of the two spheres, not these you will write. The two spheres are known as center of curvature of the two surfaces of the lens. And you will draw this diagram given on page number 178. First diagram, both the diagrams, for convex also and for concave also. Then after that, it is optical center. It is on page 178. The optical center of a lens is a special point on its principal axis. A ray of light passing through optical center of a lens goes straight through it without undergoing any bending or deviation from its path. Then focus. You can write here. If a beam of rays all parallel to principal axis of a lens falls on the lens, all such rays either all converge to a point on its principal axis or appear to diverge from a point on its principal axis. We call this point as second principal focus of the lens. इसका diagram आपको बनाना जरूरी है. जो नीचे दिया हुआ है. You draw this diagram given on the page 178. Now, after that, children, there is a numerical calculation. ये आपको थोड़ा समझना है. You have to understand like this. We are given a convex lens of focal length 20 centimeter. Draw ray diagram to show the nature, size, and position of image formed when the object is kept at distance of 55 centimeter. Now, I am rubbing this. इसको आप थोड़ा समझ लो, then you can draw the diagram. अगर आपका, if your f is given, focal length is given 20 centimeter, then 2f. F is equal to 20 centimeter, then 2f कितना होगा? Is it possible now? ऐसे ठीक है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
अगर f20 है तो 2f क्या हो जाएगा?
40
डबल हो
सेंटीमीटर।
जाएगा,
40
40
centimeter.
सेंटीमीटर।
40 centimeter.
Now, अब आप देखो क्वेश्चन नंबर A is given 55 सेंटीमीटर। तो ऑब्जेक्ट आपका कहाँ है?
Beyond 2f.
Beyond 2f.
Yes, beyond
Beyond
2f।
2.
हाँ, तो आपके पास डायग्राम है ना? इसका डायग्राम है कि नहीं है? Beyond 2f का
है।
convex lens
Yes, ma'am. है.
So, which diagram you will draw? Second diagram, when the object is beyond 2f of the lens. Page number 181, open page 181. This you will write here. F is equal to 20, so 2f will be 40 centimeter. Question is 55 centimeter, so the object will be beyond 2f. ये फर्स्ट का डायग्राम हो गया, बुक से पेज 181 से ड्रॉ कर लीजिएगा। देन सेकंड वन 35 सेंटीमीटर। अगेन वी
Between
विल
f and 2f.
Between 2f and f.
f is equal to 20,
Object
2f is
between the
equal to
2f and f point.
so object will be
Between 2f and 2f.
object will be between
2f and f.
2f and f.
f and 2f.
2f
F
and
and F and 2f. So which diagram? Page number, turn to page number 181, fourth diagram here
Fourth.
you will draw.
Fourth diagram.
Yes. और उसका नेचर भी लिखेंगे. In the same way, next question आपका है 15 centimeter. C is 15 centimeter. F is equal to 20. 2F is equal to 40. Now, ये F से भी क्या है? पास है.
Less from
So it will be optical center
Between F-
and
and
F.
between
F
optical
and
center and
optical
f point.
center.
Between O.
Optical center and f.
So the diagram is given on page number 182.
82.
That diagram you will draw here. So convex is clear. अब आइए concave में. Concave में भी वही करना है, but in case of concave lens, there will be no change in position of the image, but the process you have to do like this one. Process उसमें भी इसी तरह करना है. So you will write the distance. और ऑब्जेक्ट का पोजीशन चेंज करते हुए आपको उसका डायग्राम ड्रॉ करना है. फर्स्ट इज 30 सेंटीमीटर. इसका फोकल लेंथ है फर्स्ट 15, तो 2f विल बी 30. यहाँ ऑब्जेक्ट कहाँ रखाएगा?
2f.
At
On 2f.
2f. Then second question, you just take the help of diagram given on page number 184. इसमें कोई डायरेक्ट डायग्राम आपका 2f पर नहीं शो कर रहा है, लेकिन you can take the help from these diagrams given on page 184. Then उसके बाद है 15 सेंटीमीटर. तो
At the point
F
F
ही
point.
आपका,
At the point f.
At f.
हाँ, वो ऑब्जेक्ट will be at F.
F.
Then third one, 10 centimeter. F is equal to 15. So object will be at O and
Between F and
Between O
optical
and F.
center.
ठीक है. So is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
This question how you are going to do, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then question number 7. What type of a lens is used as magnifying glass?
Convex
क्या
lens.
Convex
लिखेंगे इसमें?
lens.
Convex lens.
Convex lens. How is the object positioned
Convex
with
lens.
respect to this lens? Object कहाँ पे
Between
रहता है? Convex.
between F and O.
Between F and
O.
draw the appropriate diagram. Appropriate diagram इसमें कौन सा draw होगा?
6th.
Page 182, 6th.
Okay. 182 पेज नंबर का डायग्राम आपका between F and O. ठीक है? Now any confusion till here? कोई भी क्वेश्चन
Yes.
में यहाँ तक कोई
Yes.
कंफ्यूजन है?
Yes मैम. मैम C का 7 में.
हाँ बोलो. हाँ
मैम C के 7 का आंसर क्या होगा?
फर्स्ट ऑप्शन. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन.
मैम
मैम,
उसमें तो उस केस
C
में
होगा।
रियल और उस केस में फर्स्ट केस में तो रियल और इन्वर्टेड इमेज फॉर्म होगा ना.
मैम और अगर उसको बिग लेटर में देखना है तो कॉन्वेक्स लेंस में डिस्टेंस होना चाहिए ये फोकस और ऑप्टिकल सेंटर के बीच में.
ऑप्टिकल
तब ना magnified.
गिवन एप्रोप्रिएट. इसमें ऑप्शन
मैम
एप्रोप्रिएट
दिया
नहीं
हुआ है
किया हुआ.
मैम.
मैम लेस देन फोकल लेंथ का मतलब वही ना.
हाँ यस यस.
मैम डी
फोर्थ
दिया हुआ
ऑप्शन.
है.
Distance less than focal length from the book. Yes, it will be fourth option. Yes, correct. Fourth option will be correct. और कुछ? Anything more? Just see this value based भी आप लोगों को पढ़ना है. इसको देख लो. We have time. Khushi listened with great attention and interest when her teacher explained her focusing action of a convex lens through the black paper experiment. The teacher went on to say that we must have a similar focused and dedicated approach toward the task at hand to achieve success in our life. On reaching home, Khushi shared her teacher's idea with her mother. Her mother fully supported her teacher's suggestion and advised Khushi to do her studies in a focused and concentrated way. She also advised Khushi not to get distracted by messages on social media while she was studying. Khushi promised to do so. Write the values depicted by Khushi's teacher. Tell. बोलिए. Tell this answer. What is the value over here by attention, interest, focus on studies? These are the values of that teacher has suggested to Khushi. And B is Khushi. What is the
Aware.
what is
Aware.
value? Aware and promise that she is obeying her teacher's values. So obedience is also there. Draw a diagram showing the focusing action of a convex lens in black paper experiment. This you have done, so no need. ये black paper वाला जो focus वाला है जिससे burning होता है वो that you have done. Have a group discussion with your friend as a pros and cons of social media. So benefits and harm of social media, you should have a group discussion on it. Clear? So anything more to be discussed, children? कुछ और आप लोग को पूछना है तो पूछ लो.
Yes मैम. और C का 6.
हाँ बोलो. When the when an object, हाँ क्या करना है इसमें?
मैम कन्वेक्स लेंस में जो जब ऑब्जेक्ट आता है लेंस के पास तो इमेज जो है लेंस से दूर बनते रहता है. पर मैम जैसे ही 6th केस में आता है जब फोकस और ऑप्टिकल सेंटर के बीच में रखाता है सबसे पास तो वो इमेज तो वापस पास में ही आ जाता है लेंस के.
ये कह रहा है कि जब इंफिनिटी से फोकस हो रहा है तब फ्रॉम इंफिनिटी टुवर्ड्स इस फोकस रे इंफिनिटी से आ रहा है।
मैम ऑब्जेक्ट आ रहा है व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट अप्रोचेस अ कन्वेक्स लेंस, मतलब ऑब्जेक्ट उससे
ऑब्जेक्ट का
इंफिनिटी।
मतलब क्या हुआ? यहाँ रे का मतलब क्या हुआ? ऑब्जेक्ट से ही रे आएगा ना। रे कहाँ से आ रहा है? कोई भी हम रे की बात करते हैं तो उसके ऑब्जेक्ट से ही बात करते हैं ना।
यस मैम।
हाँ, तो कीप ऑन शिफ्टिंग अवे फ्रॉम द लेंस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन।
मैम पर वो जब ऑब्जेक्ट शिफ्ट करते करते एफ और ओ के बीच में आ जाएगा तब तो इमेज पास बनेगा ना।
नहीं नहीं, इमेज पास नहीं आएगा, ये सही है। दिस इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, दिस वन इज करेक्ट। उसको वेरीफाई कर लेंगे लेकिन दैट इज द करेक्ट वन। अकॉर्डिंग टू यू व्हाट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर? आपके हिसाब से कौन सा करेक्ट
मैम
समझ रहे
मैम
हैं?
शिफ्ट्स फर्स्ट अवे एंड देन टुवर्ड्स द लेंस।
नो नो, वो फर्स्ट वाला ही रहना चाहिए। अब देख लेंगे, आई विल जस्ट सी। अगर हो सकता है देन आई विल जस्ट लेट यू नो। ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू देन।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक्स ऑल ऑफ।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am.
सुना, thank you, ma'am. Thank you, कौन है ना?